Assalamu alaikum and good day everyone. This is Pair 11 and we will be tackling about boundary cut. First, you have to make a solid body. Enable for you to make a solid body, draw a 2D sketch and add features. After you make a solid body, click Reference Geometry to add planes. And take note that you have to click the Offset button or make sure that the plane is inside the solid body so that you are able to use the boundary cut feature. Or in our case, we use this side of the box as a reference, so we have to use Offset feature. After that, draw a sketch to the planes you added. After you make a sketch to every plane, connect each sketch using 3D Sketch. After connecting all sketches, we now go to Boundary Cut and select all the 2D sketches for Direction 1. And for Direction 2, we select the 3D sketch. After that, we can now click Check or Confirm. And that's all. Now you know how to use Boundary Cut.